Hey, what's up and welcome to the video. So in today's video we will talk about the mission statement. We will talk about what kind of mission you need, what the mission statement is for, and why it's so important when it comes to branding, when it comes to turning your followers to true fans. Now, inside the Instagram 101 and everything, we already talked about that you need a red line, that you need a goal, that you need a vision or something like a red line, as I said, that you follow. Like in the Instagram feed, when it comes to your posts and all that good stuff, you need to follow that red line. To make sure that people consistently know, or that people always know what your whole account is about. And you need to follow that theme. You need to follow that red line. Because if you, like at the beginning, have a red line, for example, the red line is how to build a following on Instagram, right? If that's the red line and you post content about that, if you put out your knowledge and your expertise and everything about building a following on Instagram or building a following on YouTube or Facebook ads or about nutrition, whatever, right? If you have that red line and then later on change that red line, then those people, if you, for example, switch from how to get followers on Instagram, if you switch from how to get followers on Instagram to, for example, how to get subscribers on YouTube, then all these people who are interested in how to get followers on Instagram, like most of them, 80% of them, will not be interested in how to get followers on YouTube, right? And the same is when it comes to building a brand, okay? You need a red line, you need something that you follow, you need a mission statement. And, like my mission statement, for example, just to show you what a mission statement can look like, is my mission statement for Instagram is I want to help and inspire people to start their business on Instagram so that they can make money and live the life of their dreams, right? So, and when you take a look at my Instagram account, and that mission statement is just for me personally, right? I don't put that mission statement out a lot. I don't post it in my feed. I don't tell people that that's my mission or whatever. Sometimes I share parts of it and let people know, I give them like a small direction, right? But I have that mission statement for me as a person, just to have it in my mind, right? Because then I always know what I have to do, what I want to do inside my Instagram feed, inside my Instagram stories and the live streams, and that's that I want to help and inspire people to start their business. And if you take a look at my feed, if you take a look at my content that I put out on Instagram, lots of that content is inspirational, right? So I inspire people by, for example, showing income, by, for example, showing this money over here, right?
Guess how much?
50K, right? By posting photos with people, for example, with Torben Platzer, with Tai Lopez, here with Simon Desue, and all that stuff, right? I post those pictures basically to inspire people and to show people that thanks to Instagram, I was able to meet these people. And that thanks to Instagram, I, for example, also got the Tucumã Club Award for generating over $1 million in sales in 45 days, right? And my whole Instagram feed follows that theme, right? I want to help and inspire people to start their business on Instagram so they can make money and live the life of their dreams. I inspire them and I help them. And I do that in my Instagram feed. I do that inside my Instagram story. And I also do that on my sales page, right? On this sales page, when I want to sell a product, or if you want to sell something, right? You don't have to do this with a sales page. About building a funnel, building a sales page and stuff like that, that's like all advanced stuff. But you don't need that at the beginning to get to the first $1,000. If you want to scale up to $100,000, then sure, you need a funnel. You need something that automatically turns your followers into paying customers. But that's stuff that we talk about inside the 100 group, inside the advanced program. But also, as I said, if you take a look at this sales page, you can see it over here. What I do on this sales page is I try to help and inspire people to start their business on Instagram. And I do that by showing photos, by just telling my story and all that stuff. And it's so crucial and so important that you have a mission statement too for your Instagram account, for your business, and just in general everything, because that mission statement will give you a red line, okay? So you don't really need a mission statement, but you need a red line, okay? And you can put that red line to shorten it up so that you always have it in your mind into a mission statement. For me, my mission statement is, for the personal brand, I want to help and inspire people to start their business on Instagram, right? And what I want you now to do is I want you to sit down for 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 minutes and just think about what's your mission statement? What do you actually want to do? What's your goal with your Instagram account? Okay? What is your goal? And you need that goal, right? You need that mission. You need that red line that you want to follow, right? Your mission statement or your goal or the red line that you want to follow can also be, I just want to make as much money as possible with this Instagram account. And then probably, in your account, if you have that goal, if you have that red line, if you have that mission statement, then your Instagram account, everything is just going to be conversion optimized. And you'll always be selling. So you really have to figure out what your deep goal is for your Instagram account, for your business, for your life, and just everything, right? and how your Instagram business and how your Instagram account fits into your life goals, right? How you can combine those things and how you can use Instagram to reach those goals. You have to think about that. It's one of the most important things. Because if you don't have that right line, if you don't know what you're doing, then you will always switch things. Like, for example, for me, like in 2019, it was the best year, it was the most amazing year. But there's also lots of things that didn't go, what means that good, but the year was amazing, totally. I don't want to complain or anything. But of course, I could have done better. And one of the things that I realized that I did that mistake is I didn't always have that red line. I didn't have that mission. I didn't have that big goal that I want to follow. And that's why I always like started searching for other ways how I can make money and do this and help and inspire people and blah, 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 right? And I put it on this product and this product and this product and new stuff. I tried this and this and this and this and this. I tried so many different things. I had over 13 projects in 2019. And that really killed my focus. And what I realized is that by having focus on one thing, for example, just my personal brand or just building funnels for influencers, but just having focus on one thing, that's how you get ahead, right? And if you don't have that mission statement, if you don't have the mission statement that is like connected to your big goal, to the thing that you really want to achieve in life, then and if you don't combine or like think about how Instagram will actually help you reach that goal, then you will probably always switch things up, right? If you don't have the big picture, if you don't have a plan what you want to do with your Instagram account and how your Instagram account will help you to reach your goals, then you will probably always change things. You will go from Instagram to maybe dropshipping. You will go maybe from the business niche to the quotes niche. You will go maybe then to Amazon FBA, to YouTube. You will try SMMA and all that different stuff, right? So make sure that you sit down now and think about, first of all, what your big goal in life is, where you want to be in a year from now, in 5 years from now, in 10 years from now, in 25 years from now, in 50 years from now. I know this is like kind of what everyone says, but you have to do that. And if you now start sitting down and think about your goals, about 1 year, that's going to be easy, okay? What do you want to reach in 12 months? Most people know that. Most people have an idea of what they want to reach within the next 12 months. Lots of people also still have an idea what they want to reach in 2 years and in 5 years. But most people already, when it comes to like what they want to reach in 5 years, don't even know. They think, oh, 5 years, this, maybe this, but then it stops, okay? So one of the most important, best things that you can do right now is sit down and really figure out where you want to be in 5 years, 10 years, 25 years. And it will take time. You will have to think deep. And you will have to think about this for like maybe a few days, maybe even a week, maybe even a month. Because it's hard to figure out sometimes. And it's hard to know what you want to do in 25 years, how you want your life to look like, what your goals are and everything. Because 25 years from now, you can be a whole different person. But it's important that you think about that. And you need that big picture. You need to know how that Instagram and how like building this Instagram business will help you reach that goals. And you can then go one step further and deep dive into Instagram and plan your mission statement for your Instagram account. Okay, so you have your big goal, for example, in 20 years from now, I want to have like, I don't know, maybe 100 million into real estate or into stocks or whatever. Okay, and then you go one step down. Okay, 10 years from now, I want this and this and this and this. Okay, 2 years from now, I want this and this and this. 1 year from now, I want this. 1 year from now, I maybe want to make 100K per year. And you can then see, okay, with Instagram, I can get to 100K a year, and then I can like invest into the real estate, blah, 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 and that will help me reach my big goal that I want to reach in 25 years, whatever, right? And then you just deep dive down, go into this topic really deep and think about, okay, how will Instagram help me reach that goal? And what do I have to do on Instagram to reach that goal? And then you just think about your mission statement, right? If your goal is, for example, only to make money, if you will really like want to make money and like go into real estate or just into stocks, whatever, then like your mission statement could be, okay, I want to inspire people and make as much money as possible with my Instagram account, whatever, okay, something like that, right? But think about what your mission statement is so that you have a red line that you follow when it comes to your brand and to everything that you do on Instagram. And yeah, that's what you have to do, right? Before you start turning your followers to true fans, before you start the whole branding process, you need a red line that you follow, okay? You need to know where you want to be, what your goals are, what the directions that you will want to go into with your Instagram account. And this, like, to be honest, really helped me a lot. And just this process helped me increase my whole income. Now, I did this with all my Instagram accounts, with all my businesses, right? I know where I want to be in 25 years and 10 years and stuff like that. And I thought about, and like deep dive into how each and every single project and business that I have can help me reach those goals and what the direction is that I want to go into. And just by like doing that for my personal brand, and obviously I also did for all the other businesses, it helped me like nearly double the income or double what I make with the personal brand. So let's say before I was making 10K, I was making more, but with a personal brand per month, I then went to nearly 20K. It's more like, this is just an example, right? But yeah, this is like really how important this whole thing is, okay? So figure out what your goals are, figure out how Instagram and how this whole thing will help you reach those goals, and then develop your red line and your mission statement, and then you're good to go, okay? So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you guys inside the next one. And in the next video, we will talk about the Instagram feed and how you can use the Instagram feed to turn your followers into true fans.